ஹுட் பிக்கர்ஸ் பனியூர் ஷோரூமில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஹார்மோனியா கலெக்ஷன் சொல்லிட்டு புதுசாக அவங்களுடைய இது வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அங்கே வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா விசிட் பண்ண போயிருந்தேன். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் சோபாஸ்லாம் வந்து விசிட் பண்ணி பார்த்துருந்தேன். ஸோ அங்கே வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு சூப்பரான ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கிடச்சிது. ரொம்ப ராயலான சோபாஸ்லாம் இருந்தது. பாசத்துக்கும் நேசத்துக்கும் உரிய தமிழ் மக்கள் அனைவருக்கும் விஜயின் அன்பு வணக்கங்கள்.
Hi, I am Vikas from Harmonia head office. We created some stories like this in Buddha, tree, a blessing hands.
This is made up of metal and it is a beautiful candle centerpiece which you can keep on the tables to decorate your tables. Table which has the same impression of the tree on its down. So this is which has three of the candle holders besides to it. One on the left side and one on the other right side. 3D beautiful painting which you can see, which has beautiful colors and that captures everyone's minds and like you can really decorate your walls with it. Crockery which you can see here, we have beautiful canisters there on the upside. Then we have the cup saucer sets, we have beautiful trays. Even you can get to have a beautiful collection of different mugs. You can see which captures everyone's mind. You can see the collection of mugs with variety of colors and variety of designs and beautiful concepts are there. Beautiful collection for lamps you can find out at Harmonia. For every size, every choice, you'll get the colors. Here we have floor lamps, here we have corner lamps, we have table lamps which you can place at your houses and offices to decorate and give the beautiful lighting concepts. The crockery is like, we have beautiful porcelain crockery with colorful designs, colorful impressions. Even we do have the gold plated crockery, as you can see in the designs you'll get to have. Good variety of glasses. Here the glasses are made up of crystals. Crystal glasses are there. Quality is extremely nice. We have specially procured Bohemian glasses for you. You can keep the collection. You can collect your own collection, make your own collection at home, buy it from Harmonia. We have decorative decanter sets also with wine glasses which you can purchase. People use it to decorate their houses instead of lighting a candle for the light. It's now more a showpiece for your house. So you can see variety of metallic and glass candles holders with beautiful colors and metallic positions you can keep at your home, decorate your home as required. Yes. Another story you can see, a beautiful Indian design, handmade collected, and this is made purely in wood, which has wall panel and a cabinet section. You can see it has quite a good storage for inside. One more story I'll show you. It is a story which has all the white color, the white background mosaic work, mirror panel is there. We have created it with the statue of Buddha and again a cupboard panel, a cupboard console you can see. It has storage for your solution, for your home. Here you can see the good collection of planters which are there with beautiful faces, Buddha faces, horse faces, and all are meant for indoors and outdoors. This will solve your problems for indoor decorative pieces where you can use for your houses. Water is a good source which is known for the moving water is as according to the Vastu, and for this thing Feng Shui, you can really work that running water in houses really helps in generating the positive vibes. So you can get the collection of big indoor and outdoor fountains. Every size is there. We have different kind of materials which are available and handy and really excellent to maintain at your own ways. Like we have this is made in sandstone. This is made in the polystone properly, and mainly we have Buddha poses with sandstone material. It is made with sandstone. We have the small for indoors, bigger for outdoors also. You can buy and make your spaces more positive with using Armonia's water fountains. Here is the collection. You can find beautiful vases in ceramics, beautiful colors, variety of shades. You can get it with different sizes, different shapes for the home decorations, for corner decorations, vases made in glass, made in ceramics, made in polystone, and even we have beautiful long wooden vases which can make your corners beautiful and lightened with the positivity of flowers. You can put flowers, dry flowers into it and make the spaces beautiful. Again, we can see that we have a sofa set there which is made in contrast with beige and blues. You can take this complete set to and make your space beautiful, as well as there is a wall art. You can see it is a karma wheel which gives, again according to the Vastu, it is a positivity element in your house, and it is specified in various sizes. You can really come to Armonia, customize as according to your sizes, and we will develop with different colors also. With Armonia is a leatherite material where you can get the bar concept. Every real thing required for the bar is well available at Armonia with the variety of leatherite products. Here you can see we have bar tables, bar stools, you have bar accessory concepts, we have small bars, we have huge bars, everything is there what is required for bar. We have each and every element here. You can get to have beautiful photo frames, you can get to have tabletop items, you can have bottle containers, the clocks, the trays, and everything available here in leatherite material also. Especially all are imported. We have sourced Armonia from various countries like Malaysia, Indonesia. We are sourcing it out from Vietnam and Dubai. We are sourcing it from England as well. So you can see variety of products for your home decor items. You can see here wall panels, as you can see colorful decor pieces, like it's in grays, it is in black, it is in blue, goldens, like we have something in antique collection. You can get all the varieties here at Armonia. Especially you can see this piece, it is all designed according to the Vastu, the running 7 horses, which is considered to be the prosperous piece for your growth and prosperity, with the LED light effects on the back, so that it can enlighten your life, it can enlighten your walls at home. We can see now beautiful collection of puffy sets here, which has a small sitting arrangements made with beautiful light velvets and colorful segment. You can see, you can get variety of colors according to your places, near to your wardrobes, near to your dressing tables. You will get best solutions to sit on. One more segment you can see here with Armonia is the metal section. Metal is like we have now, we are sharing the pictures with you for the metallic figurines which are made with exclusive brass. They are heavier pieces which can make your spaces more beautiful, and They are well. You can use them to make the spaces more traditional and looks more elegant. Harmonia is also giving a variety of wall clocks and wall timepieces. You can see here with different sizes, different colors, and mainly we have metallic collections, especially the gear clocks. You can see the collection is especially silently. It is a collection of silent clocks which will give you the accurate timings, and also it makes your spaces beautiful. It has metal, it has exclusive designer pieces also, which has pendulum, which are made in quartz material, exclusively imported from various countries, and you can get the collection with variety of colors and feels and variety of materials also.
Your turn.